So today we're going to be reading Seal Silly Sandwich because we are talking about the letter S. And this is by Dorothy J. Schuyler and illustrated by Paul Harvey. One Sunday, Seal invited his friends for supper. "What's for supper?" said Snail. "I'm serving a sandwich," said Seal. Seal put some sardines on a slice of bread. "Sardines in a sandwich," said Snail. "That's silly." There are all those sounds at the beginning of words that begin with S. Next, Seal added some stew. "Stew in a sandwich," said Sloth. "That's silly." Next, Seal added some spaghetti. "Spaghetti in a sandwich," said Snake. "That's silly." Next, Seal added some spinach. "Spinach in a sandwich," said Salamander. "That's silly." Next, Seal added some scrambled eggs. "Scrambled eggs in a sandwich," said Skunk. "That's silly." Next, Seal added 6 scoops of strawberry ice cream. "Strawberry ice cream in a sandwich," said Spider. "That's silly." Next, Seal added some salsa and some maple syrup. "Salsa and syrup in a sandwich," said Squirrel. "That's silly." "Who's ready for a slice of my sandwich?" said Seal. "No thanks," said Snail, Sloth, Snake, Salamander, Skunk, Spider, and Squirrel. "That sandwich is just too silly." But Seal didn't think that sandwich was silly at all. He thought it was scrumptious. So I'm going to post this and so you can look at the words that begin with the letter S. S is for spider, snake, snail, and seal. S is for supper, supersized sandwich meal. S is for sailboat, smile, and sing. S is for spaghetti, seesaw, and swing. Hooray for S, big and small, the most sensational letter of all. All right, in our S alphabet soup can today, we have an uppercase S and a lowercase s. They're easy to identify because they are the same. They don't change in any way. One is just bigger and one is smaller. And they look like a snake, which happens to say S, which is the same sound S makes at the beginning of a word, or when you hear it. All right, so here's a sunflower, a seal, a saw, some soup, and a pair of socks. So socks, soup, saw, seal, and sunflower all begin with the sound, or the S sound. All right, can't wait to see what words you come up with that begin with the sound. Bye, guys.